What's going on, guys? It's me, Will, here, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make, by the title, how to make a water droplet sound with only your mouth. You got your mouth and your hands, and that's it. And you flick here. You flick here, like I would say around about this far to your face, not like around here, but like to your lips or anything. About here is quite good enough. Mid jaw, so mid jaw about here, and this is what it sounds like. It can be quite decent depending on how if you do it well enough. So when you flick it with your mouth the word like wah, like without saying it, just go. So like, and it can be better if you can if you time it right. So there's something decent like that. It can work, as I say, depending on how like your timing, and if you can do it good enough, then it should, end up being quite well. But yeah, and also comment after this video is posted. Comment if it works for you, if you've got it, like if you can do it like after this tutorial. Yeah, okay. So make sure to give this a like, comment, and if it works for you, subscribe to the channel. See you later.